Thanks, Sophie. I think we're going to start this look at the weather by casting our eye a little bit further afield. If you're travelling to the east coast of the States, or you have relatives there, or indeed you've been watching the US Open, chances are you're going to have some kind of encounter with this little fella in the next couple of days. This is Hurricane Earl, currently a major hurricane, Category 4, winds of up to 145 miles an hour. Earl looks like it will clip up the eastern seaboard of the States in the next 24 hours. Strong winds and heavy rain to come. The eye itself doesn't actually make landfall until it gets to New Brunswick, but nonetheless we could well see this storm causing some serious problems. Updates on that available on our website. Back on this side of the Atlantic though, and all's calm on the western front. Hazy sunshine takes us through the rest of today. Tonight we will see some cloud, mist and fog drifting into central and eastern parts of the UK. Towards the west the sky is somewhat clearer. Temperatures not an issue, 8 to 12 degrees Celsius the overnight lows. And so we go into Friday on a fine note with a bright or even sunny start to the day. Across the southeast of England and East Anglia, perhaps a little bit more cloud just getting pushed in off the North Sea. Quite breezy perhaps at the Thames estuary, so feeling a little cool at times, but still a lovely start to the day really. The mist and fog adding an autumnal air though as we make our way across the northeast of England and up into the central lowlands of Scotland. The sun though should make pretty short work of that. Those are brightening up very quickly. Plenty of sunshine as we head further west into western Scotland, across Northern Ireland, into Wales and indeed for the southwest of England. A fine start to the day in prospect. Again, just the chance of some isolated patches of mist and fog here, but it's pretty much a plain sailing story to take us into Friday morning. And really, as the day goes on, not a lot is going to change. What we'll tend to see, if anything, is that mist and fog lifting, burning off, and any cloud tending to burn back to the North Sea coast. So by the time we get into Friday afternoon, we're left with a lot of sunshine and top temperatures inland of 21 or 22. Always just that shade cooler down those North Sea coasts. So that finishes off our week. We then take a look ahead to the weekend, and it looks like our area of high pressure is going to keep things settled for most of us well on into the weekend. But towards the west, this area of low pressure I think will feed some showers into Northern Ireland on Saturday. So perhaps some wetter weather there for a time, possibly even seeing that fringing into Western Wales and Western Scotland later on in the day. But really that's pretty short-lived. Looking on to Sunday and Monday, the high is still hanging on in there. It's going to bring us a lot more dry weather, a lot more sunshine and some pretty pleasant conditions as we move through our first week of September. More for you, and don't forget on Hurricane Earl as well on the website or the red button.